Learning English, Grammar Fundamentals, Articles and Determiners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. In this video, we will be focusing on the topic of numbers and ordinals as determiners, within the broader subject of articles and determiners. Specifically, we will explore the usage of cardinal numbers in English grammar. So, let's dive right in. Cardinal numbers are used to represent quantity or amount in English. They are the numbers we use in our everyday conversations to talk about how many or how much of something. Here are a few examples. 1 apple, 2 cars, 3 books. Cardinal numbers can be used both as determiners and as adjectives. When used as determiners, they come before a noun and indicate the number or quantity of that noun. For example, I have 2 cats. She bought 5 oranges. In these examples, 2 and 5 are cardinal numbers functioning as determiners because they determine the number of cats and oranges, respectively. When using cardinal numbers with singular nouns, we typically do not add an s at the end of the noun. However, when using cardinal numbers with plural nouns, we do use the plural form of the noun. Let's look at some examples. I have 1 book. I have 2 books. In the first sentence, we use 1 with the singular noun, book. But in the second sentence, we use 2 with the plural form of the noun, books. Cardinal numbers can also represent 0 and fractions. Let's take a look. There are 0 mistakes in your essay. She ate half of the cake. In these examples, 0 represents the absence of something, and half represents a fraction. Cardinal numbers are also commonly used to express dates and phone numbers. Here are a couple of examples. My birthday is on December 25th. His phone number is 555-1234. When expressing dates, we usually use the ordinal form, e.g., 25th, rather than the cardinal form, e.g., 25, of the number. And when stating phone numbers, we usually say each digit individually. Now, let's go over some general rules for using cardinal numbers in English. 1. Don't use and when stating whole numbers. For example, say 100 instead of 100 and. 2. Use commas for numbers above 999. For example, write 1000 instead of 1000. 3. Use a or an before singular countable nouns. For example, a dog or an apple. 4. Use 1 when there is no other specific number mentioned. For example, there is 1 person waiting. That brings us to the end of this video on the usage of cardinal numbers in English grammar. We have explored their basic usage, how they interact with singular and plural nouns, their representation of 0 and fractions, and their use in dates and phone numbers. Remember, mastering cardinal numbers is essential for effective communication in English. Keep practicing and incorporating them into your conversations, and you'll